I've been working in the screening rooms for the last few days, screening both adults and children, and it's been a very rewarding experience. We'll be seeing already about 4,000 people altogether as a team, and have found a lot of problems with cataracts, with other eye problems, and obviously we've been given hundreds of pairs of glasses.
This is the most amazing experience. I'm going to cry. No, I'm not. I love it so much. Mero Periwa, Nepali Periwa. It's so beautiful, helping people with their eyes. It's so wonderful. Aktam. Akaramocha. Very well.
Hi, my name is Anna. I'm an optometrist from Adelaide. Today is camp number 7 in Nepal. We've seen lots of people, lots of pathology, prescribing many glasses. I hope everybody's having a great experience, particularly my students who come from Flinders University, and that we get to help a lot of people here. I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody who makes this happen, the whole team.
नमस्ते हामी आज आँखा जाँच्ने रुममा छौं हैन अनि हामीले आज इन्ट्रेस्टिङ केस देखेका छौं एउटा माइक्रोबियल केराटाइटिस को केस देखेका छौं अनि कन्जक्टिभाइटिस पनि धेरै चस्मा चाहिने मान्छेहरु पनि आछन् and now in English. So hi, we're in the prescription and eye testing room today and we've already seen a few interesting cases. We've seen a microbial keratitis case and also a conjunctivitis case as well. A lot of myopes and a lot of ads too, but yeah, it's been good so far.